me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition.
We did not do this because it was derived from or it came from ICC. We did this because Interpol asked us to do it. And we have commitments to them, and we lived up to those commitments.
I feel that they're being deprived of his legal rights. Even as former president, huwag mo nang pansinin yun, basta tao, Pilipino, you are entitled to all the constitutional rights as provided by our Constitution.
Umpisa pa lang ito ng laban. Hindi pa ganap ang aming, kumbaga hindi pa ganap ang sinasabing hustisya. Dahil marami pa po mangyayari. Mahaba pa po ang aming laban. Pero hindi po kami titigil.